2 minutes after 6, it's been a hot topic lately. Should you be able to buy liquor at the grocery store? People in Washington already can, and now it's looking more and more likely that'll happen in Oregon. We're talking about now state lawmakers stepping in before voters ever get a say. News Channel 8's Nina Melhoff joining us from downtown to explain how this could affect you. Nina, good morning.
Good morning, Russ. Well, state reps, they want a hybrid plan. According to our news partners at the Oregonian, they are willing to put liquor on grocery store shelves right next to the wine, like here at Safeway, but the state would still control the sales under that plan. It is in response to several groups that want to take the state out of the alcohol business and let private business take over. So instead, under this new alternative just proposed, stores that are at least 10,000 square feet, like Safeway's, Fred Meyer's, and Costco's, could stock liquor. However, they'd still buy it from the state. But here's what you want to know. There would be a state minimum price set. So stores could set their own prices higher than that, but they couldn't discount below it. And the smaller state licensed stores, which are all we have now, would stay in business. So lawmakers could vote on it in the legislature next month in Salem, but groups wanting to make the sales go private say this plan doesn't go far enough. Back to you.
We'll see how it shakes out. Nina, thank you.